Hello, welcome back to Alina's Spanish. Today's lesson is Intermediate Advanced Vocabulary about Eating Habits and Healthy Lifestyle. Hábitos alimenticios y dieta sana. This lesson will be divided on 4 sections. In the first section, we will have the vocabulary, different words. In the second section, we are going to take a look at the verbs. The third section will tell us a little bit more about phrases and expressions about the topic. And the last part will be the practical one, the most important. La dieta. Diet, the way of eating. What can it consist? Hidratos de carbono, proteínas like carnes, huevos, pescado. Then, legumbres, frutas y verduras, lácteos, dulces, why not, a little bit, frutos secos. For healthier lifestyle, we should avoid conservantes y colorantes and try to have more vitaminas. There are several diets where you can have your preferences, like dieta mediterránea, when you eat a lot of carne, pescado, verduras, frutas, legumbres y aceite de oliva. Diet can be also dieta vegetariana or dieta vegana. Diet can be dieta baja en calorías with low calories, with low number of calories, and dieta alta en calorías, diet with high number of calories. Other important words that we need to know is la vida sana, healthy lifestyle. And if we want to keep our bodies in shape, then los músculos are also important. It's time to move to the second part, and in the second part we are going to talk about verbs. Number 1, hacer ejercicios, to exercise. Calentar los músculos, to heat up, to warm up your muscles. Adelgazar, to lose weight. Mantenerse en forma, to stay in shape, to stay fit. Controlar el peso, to control, to take care of your weight. Digestir, to digest. And this was the second part, which means that we are going to the third one, and let's hear some of the common expressions related to the topic. Llevar una vida sana, to have a healthy lifestyle. Cuidarse mucho, to take good care of yourself. Alimentarse bien, to eat well. Encontrarse bien, to feel well. Quitar los kilos, to lose some kilos of weight. Comer de manera saludable, to eat healthy. Masticar despacio, to chew slowly. Hay que masticar despacio. Well done! We have completed the theoretical part, and just the practical one is left. In the first exercise, you will need to match Spanish words with their meaning. You can pause this video and in a couple of seconds I will show you the answers. Genial, muy bien hecho, very good. So, it's time for the exercise number 2. In this exercise, I will show you different foods and 4 sections where you need to put the foods. And again, you can stop the video and in a couple of seconds I will show you what is the result. Perfecto! And here we go. This video is coming to its ending. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you would like to practice this vocabulary, you can check PDFs on my website. The link is below. And thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.